In this video, we will see how to place predefined SL and predefined target. Log in with your broker credentials and we will place any random trade and we will see how to place predefined SL and predefined target. Simply, you can select the strike price in which you want to place order. I will take any OTM strike price. Okay, and we will see some features of predefined SL and predefined target. Open this predefined target and predefined SL. I will place two points for target and SL. If you want to buy on market price directly, you can buy. Place your order. It's already set, and see here it's SL at 46 rupees and target at 50.30 rupees. If I want to add quantity in this, still my SL and target will be same. See, my still target and SL both are same and net quantity is changed to 30. And if you want to change the target and SL, you directly edit from here. I can place my target to like 48. I want to, okay, 48. If I place my target to 48 and SL to 47, let's see what hits first. Okay, my target is 48. See, SL is on, SL got hit. See, SL got hit at 46.85 due to slippage 15 paisa slippage. You can check from your broker also. See, all orders are placed. Check. I bought it at 48, then 47, and my SL was at 47. You can check from here. Order book. See, order book. Order completed at 30, 29, and this. Okay. And some more features we will see on predefined SL and target. Like if I want to place my order, if I want to place 2-3 orders randomly, like I bought two strike price, both SL and targets are 38 rupees, 44 rupees, 42 and 48. We already have set this predefined target and SL. That's why 2 points SL and 2 points target is set. I can close my all position from here directly, or if I want to wait, then I can wait also. We will see one example in ATM strike price. Directly reset it from here, and let's suppose we want 5 rupees SL and 5 rupees target, and we will buy this one, put strike price. Okay, at 200, 18, 17, whatever it is. Okay, I will buy. See, I got an order of 15 quantity. SL is at 213 and targeted as is at 223. 5 point target and 5 point SL. We can wait for them to hit either of side. My target is going to be hit. If I want to add some more quantity, I can add quantities. Its target and SL will be still 213 and 223. If it goes down, then I will add quantity. If you average it out, then also its target and SL will be fixed. If you want to edit the target SL, you simply go for it option and you can edit it from here. Update it. So my target got hit. I can show you this feature also of adding quantities. Like I added quantity. My SL is at 219 and target at 229. I can take some more order. It's 30 quantity, SL at 19 and target at 29. I can change my target SL, update it, and we can wait for this to hit. See, it's 20 223. It's going to hit my target SL. Just wait, it's almost going to hit my SL at 220. My SL is at 220. I can edit it to 221 also. Like I want to see whether my SL is going to, how my SL is getting hit. It's not coming to 221 also. Wait, we can wait. My SL almost got hit. Yeah, hit it. It got exited at 220.75. I placed my SL at 221. It's nearly 25% slippage. It's due to liquidity and volatility. Thank you.